Hello my accomplices. I am editing this video at work so that I can upload it tonight. This video is going to be supplementary material for the tutorial that I originally uploaded on TikTok, but am now moving here because, it'd be a good springboard for an interesting discussion. So, how do I harmonize people's usernames? And more importantly, why did I stop? The TikTok that I originally filmed was actually a response to one of my mutuals, my Solas, asking me how do I even do these harmony TikToks. So that's the context. That's actually a good question. I don't normally time how long I make these. Let me do a screen recording and then I'll overdub it. First, I've got to find a proper username. This is where I go to my older, more popular content to find a better selection. After thinking up a melody, I work backwards, from the end to the beginning. That way I can go from cacophonous to harmonious. I go to the Acapella Maker app and then record the first take of my melody. That way I can have something to listen to while I'm harmonizing. The actual recording process goes by pretty quick because I've sketched out everything in MIDI already. I'll go back and record a couple takes, but most of it's pretty good in 2 or 3 takes. After I'm done recording, I send the final video through an app called AudioFix that levels everything out and makes everything sound thicker.
Duck crossing sign.
So one of those videos takes me about 15 minutes. And if you think about how many I used to make in a day, like 5 to 7, that's almost like 2 hours. I am now home from work. So making 5 to 7 harmony TikToks a day got tiring after about the first month, which was coincidentally around where I got my most growth. You can see some of my biggest videos happened in September, and specifically September. I have not been able to recreate that kind of growth ever since. And I think most of it stems from the fact that people got used to me being so productive on TikTok. 5 videos a day, every day for an entire month, and then just digging around or just doing other stuff. Of course, most of your viewership would drop. And so I think I'm going to restructure it the way that I'm doing it now. 1, so that I don't burn out, and 2, so that I have a steady flow of things to do. I'm going to be doing harmony TikToks on Mondays and Thursdays, uploading them, that is. And I'm going to be uploading YouTube videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. I already sort of had this kind of schedule in the back of my mind. Most of my uploads happened on Tuesdays and Fridays incidentally, but never all Tuesdays and all Fridays. It was really just a Tuesday here and a Friday there, which is why you can see there was a gap in my upload schedule 2 weeks ago. Of course, since I'm technically starting the schedule now, this Friday, literally an hour before next Saturday, because it's almost midnight, I will be uploading a couple harmony TikToks tomorrow, which will be today by the time you see this video. But next week will be different. No uploads on Sunday. I'll do a bunch of stuff on Monday. I'll make a video for Tuesday. Nothing on Wednesday. A bunch of harmony TikToks Thursday. And then another upload Friday. And then nothing Saturday. So my only off days are Sunday, Wednesday, Saturday. So that's going to be the new schedule until I either find something better or instantly become famous.
This is us, we're in love and it's so profound. Life goes on, life goes on, life goes